Hey guys, I just wanted to go ahead and film a quick introduction for this video about these nails. Okay, quick disclaimer. I am not a licensed nail tech. I'm just showing you guys how I apply my press-on nails and what works for me and what could possibly work for somebody else who is just looking for something quick and easy to use on the go. Once again, I'm not a licensed nail tech, but if you do have any tips, please let me know down below. The video on this makeup look will be posted right after this one, so if you see me wearing the same shirt and all, that's why. But please go ahead and hit that notification bell for me because I do not have a set schedule. Go ahead and subscribe, leave a like, a comment, and let's get started. Alright, so starting off, I'm just going to show you guys what came in the bag that she sent me. So I got some nail glue, I have her business card. Feel free to go ahead and screenshot that if you'd like. I got alcohol pads, a nail file, a nail buffer, and also a tool to push back my cuticles with. So before I start applying anything to my nails, I'm going to go ahead and clean them off with the alcohol pad. Now, my hands were washed prior to doing this with antibacterial soap, and I would recommend that you do that as well. So here I'm about to go ahead and push back my cuticles. Now some people like to go ahead and soften up their cuticles by soaking their hands first for a second, but I just went ahead and skipped over that step since I previously had on a set of press-on nails, so my cuticles aren't that bad. But yeah, you want to go ahead and just gently push them back to prepare yourself for your press-ons. So now I'm going to go ahead and start buffing out my nails. Now I skipped over the filing part just for the simple fact that my nails are at the lowest point that they can get to because the skin underneath my nails comes up very high. So yeah, if you need to file your nails, go ahead and do that before this step, but I didn't have to, so I'm just going to go ahead and continue to buff. Y'all have no idea how excited I was when this part finally came. These nails are freaking beautiful. So I received them from Pressed by Minabeauty on Instagram. I will go ahead and leave all of her links down below. So what I'm doing now is just making sure that the nail fits my nail properly before I go ahead and decide to glue them down. Now, when you do place an order with her, she does have a chart that will help you determine what size nails you need. But for me, I needed to actually have mine custom made because my nails are a little bit bigger than what was offered. Okay, so I want to share with you guys a few reasons why I like press-on nails. Now, I really do like to get my nails done as far as acrylics go, but you know that can be costly and it can add up, and of course you cannot reuse acrylics. With press-on nails in general, you can reuse them as long as you take care of them properly. They are a lot cheaper, well, I guess depending on who you get them from. But yes, I also think that they're way more convenient for somebody who is very busy and on the go all the time. They are safer for your natural nail, and I just like the fact that you can constantly change your nails every other week without having to, you know, have the hassle of making a nail appointment, or, you know, if you're somebody who doesn't really like to keep your nails the same for a while, like I know when I wear acrylics, I like to keep them on for like 2 to 3 weeks. So if you are somebody who does not like to keep your nails the same for a long time, like whether it comes to the style, the color, any of that, press-on nails would be perfect for you. So for the final step, I'm going to go ahead and apply my cuticle oil just to, give your nails, that nice healthy glow. Please don't forget to go ahead and check my description box below. I will have everything linked and listed if you are curious, including music and everything like that. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.